Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I made these minis of A Star is Born, the triptych I created. It's a very popular design and it just goes really fast in the gallery. So I could make as many as I want and I just love it. It's probably my favorite color combination, the blues and the silvers. And in these little pieces, I'm able to really show how I make the cells, the lacing on the side of the starburst pattern. And I also added artsy blue, which is a brilliant blue. Each time I make these triptychs or these little minis, I work on making them different from each other, even though the color scheme is similar. So with that, I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you after. Welcome back. As you can see, I created a lot of cells and it was so much fun. I love making these little pieces because they're a little easier to make and they're just really glamorous as well. So you don't lose the glamour with the size. I really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Bardzo dziękuję. Thank you so much. Until the next time.